Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, walking to the beach and seeing nothing. No waves, no blue horizon, just miles of empty, wet sand stretching into the abyss. In a single second, 70% of our planet's surface has vanished. The oceans are gone. This isn't just a drought, it is the beginning of a new alien Earth. What happens to the ships? What happens to the climate? And most importantly, what happens to us? First, the view would be terrifyingly majestic. With the water gone, Earth's true face is revealed. We would see vast canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon and mountain ranges longer than the Andes, finally exposed to the sun. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, would turn into a massive, dark valley of mud. Shipwrecks that have been lost for centuries, the Titanic, Spanish galleons, lost submarines, would suddenly be sitting there, visible on the dry seabed, like monuments in a graveyard. But the awe would quickly turn to chaos. Hundreds of thousands of cargo ships carrying food, oil, and electronics would be instantly grounded, tipped over on the sand. Global trade stops immediately. And the marine life, the massive whales, the sharks, the billions of fish, they would be stranded. The stench of decay would cover the planet within days. Here is the real danger. Oceans don't just hold fish, they regulate our temperature and provide our rain. Without oceans, the water cycle breaks. Clouds would disappear. Rain would stop forever. The equator would turn into a furnace, burning everything. The poles would freeze harder. Earth would transform into a giant desert planet, much like Mars, but with the ruins of human civilization scattered across it. Surviving on this dry rock would require massive domes and underground cities near the last remaining freshwater lakes. But eventually, life as we know it would fade away. The oceans are not just water, they are the blood of our planet. So, the next time you see the waves crashing on the shore, remember, you are looking at the only reason we are alive.